Hi everybody, this is Camilo from Trending Waves. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend and happy 2021. So today I'd like to discuss the price chart of Bitcoin, but before I do, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving me a thumbs up. This will really help my videos and my content being put out there for everybody who's interested in this space. Okay, so I'm going to give you two interpretations on the bullish count of Bitcoin and the bearish count of Bitcoin. As you see here, we completed wave 3 on November of 2017, the end of 2017, and then we corrected that impulse on a 3-wave fashion, forming wave 4. We are now pulling up on the wave 1, 2, and 3. So what's next? Okay, so the best case scenario here is that I like to see a pullback on this rally. I want to see a 3-wave pullback, something that it will show that is retesting the highs of 2017, and if that fails, we can then bounce on another 3-wave uptrend to form wave B, and then wave C on the bottom to then see if we can test the high of wave B or the high of wave 1. Again, from an Elliott wave standpoint, one of the rules is that we cannot, on the wave 4, cannot retrace past beyond the start, or the end of wave 1. If that happens, then this whole count is invalid, which now brings us to our interpretation, our bearish interpretation. So this one, in fact, is, while it is short-term bearish, but it is in fact the most bullish count we have. Why do I say that? So if in fact this was wave 3, right, and wave 4 has not been completed yet, we have here what's called a flat, or running flat, right, on A, B, and C. This count, it's unlikely at this point. It's unlikely because if we go and take a look at our bullish interpretation, right, what would be considered wave B here has already surpassed some of the Fibonacci ratios, like the 1.618 and so on. So I mean, everything is possible in this space, and this can still be the case. But for us to consider that this is in fact out of the question, right, we will need to see a bounce of support on these levels, on this area, right, on the high of wave B on the bullish count, and wave A on the bearish count. Okay, or if in fact we see a bounce from these levels, which means that if that's the case, then we can see a continuous rally. But if this is the scenario where we have a 5-wave corrective pullback on wave C, this is sort of designed to shake out the weak hands, right? This is, possibly can bring us down to these levels, to the low 3000s, or anywhere here, to be honest with you. But then this is, once this wave 4 is complete, we will see the massive rally come up. So all in all, I just want to, I'm waiting. I have some Bitcoin, I have positions. So again, none of this is a recommendation to buy. Please do your own homework, your own due diligence. But from my perspective, from my standpoint, I do see that to add more to my position, I would like to see these levels hold coming in the coming months. I'm not going to say this is a daily chart. This isn't going to happen in the next few days. All right, but ideally, I want to see a 3-wave corrective pullback on this count, on the bullish interpretation, for it to hold and then complete wave 5. If not, we will be patiently waiting. If these 3 levels, if this level here, this level here, and this level here, just want to see if they hold support, which are the 3 main levels to be looking for. Okay, if those hold support and we bounce, then this interpretation holds true, and we can see we can rally up to complete wave 5. However, if it doesn't and we break through these levels, then expect Bitcoin to crash to the low 3000s, at which point all the weak hands have been shaken and taken out, and we see a massive rally to 100,000+ in Bitcoin for 2021, 2022. Okay. All right. So this was my update, very short and sweet for tonight. And once again, I really appreciate your time in watching my videos, and please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you and have a good night.